What are you doing, Brian?
Riding a bike.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you going? Somewhere nice?
I'm going to Romford to pick up your bandsaw.
Oh, that's somewhere nice then, isn't it?
I've never been before.
No, I haven't either. It'd be nice to have a bandsaw though, wouldn't it?
It's a better bandsaw,
A
yes.
better bandsaw, yeah. Okay, well I'll let you get back on with your driving.
Well, thank you very much.
That's quite
Legally,
alright.
speed limit and everything else.
Yeah. And a big lorry in front of us.
Yeah.
Well, that's where it's going to live. What are you doing, Brian?
I'm destroying my staircase.
Why?
I woke up this morning and thought, what can I do?
Yeah.
And I thought, I'll destroy the staircase.
You told Kim yet?
Mrs F isn't aware of it yet, no.
Oh, she won't mind.
No, she'll be chuffed to bits.
Oh, but she will.
She loves it when I do jobs around the house.
Yeah.
Oh, dust sheets.
Yeah?
So, you know, looking after it.
And what's going to end up here eventually in its place?
Oh, I haven't thought about that yet.
No?
No. It'll be oak though.
Yeah. Oh well, get on with it then.
Yeah. Okay, I'll get on with it.